Did you know Rome's elite bodyguards killed more emperors than they saved? The Praetorian Guard was supposed to protect Roman emperors. Instead, they murdered 13 of them and turned into the ultimate power brokers. In 193 CE, they reached peak corruption. Emperor Pertinax tried to discipline these spoiled guards by cutting their privileges. Big mistake. After just 87 days on the throne, the Praetorians stormed the palace. Pertinax tried reasoning with them, but they stabbed him to death anyway. Then came the most shocking part. These guards marched back to their barracks and literally auctioned off the Roman Empire like it was a piece of furniture. Two wealthy senators showed up to bid. The winner, Didius Julianus, who promised 25,000 sesterces to each guard. Think about that. The entire Roman Empire, millions of people, vast territories, centuries of civilization, sold to the highest bidder by a bunch of corrupt bodyguards. Julianus ruled for just 66 days before being executed. The Praetorians had turned Rome's throne into their personal ATM machine.